This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Cathy Day. No showings until November 3, 2020. Beautiful 3/2/2 solar heated pool home on January 2, acre lot in highly desirable Sandpiper Bay community. Home offers an open and split floor plan with spectacular views. Home is surrounded by parks, lake and golf course. Home has been freshly painted inside/outside. Kitchen features granite countertops, newer SS appliances and snack counter. Enjoy the view of the pool/patio and private backyard setting from the living room, kitchen, family room, and spacious master bedroom. Tile flooring throughout. New metal roof in 2019. 10x14 shed west/electricity in 2018. Washer/dryer do not convey. Visit the voluntary HOA website, www.sandpiperbycommunity.org for more information. Review the details below.